You're in line at the grocery store when, someone sneezes on you. The cold virus is sucked inside your lungs and lands on a cell on your airway lining. Every living thing on Earth is made of cells, from the smallest one-celled bacteria to the giant blue whale, to you.
The differences between cell and virus are that cells reproduce on their own, while viruses require a compatible host to reproduce. It invades the host cell machinery to replicate. Therefore, it is termed as obligate intracellular parasite. Besides, cells are made of lipid bilayer, DNA, RNA, and other organelles. Viruses are made of protein capsid and nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA, but not both. When the viruses get through, the cells recognize and signal the body to release special enzymes. The special enzyme will kill and chop the viruses to pieces. They will send the pieces back through our membrane where the cells display it to wound neighboring cells. They attack the viruses so that the other cells know to destroy them. After that, the cells will take actions and make antibodies, a protein that attack and kill the invading virus.
Do, 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 do.
The process starts in nucleus, which contain our DNA. DNA contains instructions that tell our cells how to make antibodies. Enzymes in the nucleus will find the right sections of DNA and make a copy called messenger RNA. The mRNA leaves the nucleus and travels to ribosomes where protein synthesis occurs. The ribosomes will read the instruction from the nucleus, creating an antibody protein that go fight the virus.
To do that, the antibody needs to leave the cell. The antibody heads to the Golgi apparatus. Here, it's packed up for delivery outside the cell, enclosed in a bubble made of the same material as the cell membrane. The Golgi apparatus also gives the antibody directions, telling it how to get to the edge of the cell. When it gets there, the bubble surrounding the antibody fuses to the cell membrane. The cell ejects the antibody, and it heads out to track down the virus.
Cells get energy from mitochondria. Mitochondria takes oxygen to make energy, and electron is added from the food we eat to make water molecules. This process creates a high-energy molecule called ATP, which the cell uses to power all of its parts.
All the parts of a cell have to work together to keep things running smoothly. And all the cells of your body have to work together to keep you running smoothly. That's a whole lot of cells. Scientists think there are about 37 trillion of them.
When the virus enters the cell, the virus takes over the host cell machinery and begin making copies of themselves. Once replication has been completed, the virus begins to leave the cell by several methods, including budding, exocytosis, and cell lysis. Once free from the host cell, the new virus can attack other cells. As viruses can reproduce thousands of new viruses, viral infections can spread quickly throughout the body.